Alright, this is my momentum principle reassessment. A 0.25 kilogram steel ball is traveling to the right at a velocity of 4.5 meters per second when it collides head on with a 0.30 kilogram steel ball traveling leftward at a velocity of 5 meters per second. After colliding, the 0.25 kilogram ball is traveling left at a velocity of 2.0 meters per second. What is the velocity of the 0.30 kilogram ball after the collision? This is my diagram before. I have my 0.30 traveling to the left at 5 meters per second. I have my 0.25 kilogram traveling to the right at 4.5 meters per second. So my momentum principle is momentum equals mass times velocity. So I got 1.125 kilograms times meters per second for the 0.25 kilogram ball. And then I did the same thing for my 0.30 kilogram ball, and I got negative 1.5 kilograms times meters per second, which makes sense because it's going in the negative direction. And then I added both of them together, and I got 0.375 kilograms times meters per second for the total momentum before the collision. So then after, this is my diagram after, I have 2 meters per second for the 0.25 kilogram ball heading left. Yeah, because it'd be negative. Alright, I was stuck for a second. And then I have the 0.30 kilogram ball. That's what we're trying to find out. Which way it's going and what its momentum is. And so I take the momentum of this, and it's negative 0.5 kilograms times meters per second. And then we know that the momentum after equals negative 0.5 kilograms meters per second plus this one, P of x equals negative 0.375 kilograms per meters per second. And I got negative 0.35 from what we did up here. So, then I got the momentum for the 0.30 kilogram ball, which is 0.125 kilograms times meters per second. And then I referred back to the question, but it's also asking me what is the velocity of the 0.30 kilogram ball after collision. Now that's the momentum. So what I did here was I took the momentum equals the mass times the velocity. So using that formula, I was able to find the velocity by multiplying by the mass. So dividing by the mass to both sides. So that gave me the velocity of the ball is 0.42 meters per second to the right. So it's heading in this direction. I'm looking through my camera, so I can't really draw a good circle at 0.42 meters per second. And that is my momentum principle.